What's up? Testing, testing. I should really get that intro screen going again. Every day I come in here and I just sit here for like 2-3 minutes, fapping around, sending links and whatnot. But it is what it is. It is what it is. Nothing fancy. Just pips, 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 and more pips. What's up, Corpse? What's up, Ned? Mr. Wayne? How's everybody doing today? What's up, chat? Boring ass chat. Get a bang with NFP, but nobody even sends stubs. Get out of here. Take my pips and leave. Don't even love me. You don't even love me, you just want my pips. But heavy, I see that, I see that. What's up, Tyrant? Okay, let's get into it here. So, guess we can start off on the weekly since it's a Monday. In fact, we can actually even start off from the monthly here. Since it's a new month, still pretty early into November, just get a nice overview. You can even look at the quarterly, how about that? Okay, quarterly time frame here, we can see, you know, these are all-time highs on gold around 2070. We've been in a range on the, from a macro perspective, we've been in a range for a little while now. Overall more bullish. You know, we've got basically like halfway through this quarterly candle, we've had those geopolitical tensions, so the Israel-Palestine story coming in, bringing some demand to gold. So there on the monthly, you'll see that we had a very strong bullish monthly candle closure. Honestly, just looking at it, it looks like gold is due for a breakout, but you know, trader intraday time frames, you don't need to really be chasing buys just because the monthly looks like it's about to break out. But yeah, we are sitting near this resistance, but from a macro perspective, definitely more bullish. On the weekly, we did close bearish last week, although in the grand scheme of things, It's not really a strong bearish candle. You know, it's not exactly looking like a rejection candle or anything. In fact, you had quite a steep bottom wick on that candle, relatively small bearish body. Overall, it's more of a bullish candle than a bearish candle, if you ask me. Daily, we can see we are just ranging here. On the daily, we have a support down here, which we've tapped into this morning at around 82, between 82 and 81. You've also got another support down here at around 70. And if you had to mark that up as a zone, you'll probably see between 70 and 65, you're getting some rejections there. 4 hour overall pretty choppy. We've got a bit of a zone. You know, these gray zones I've got marked out are clearly not accurate levels. It's just zones to keep an eye out on. So we can see, you know, price came into the zone, even here, formed resistance, rejections, multiple rejections, broke above, retested, multiple rejections. Even here, once again, you had a support formed, but keep in mind, we wicked down there into that daily support zone at 70. We've come back down into this general zone today already, you know, based off of the daily candle, having already formed a support here, being the first day of the week, coming back into the support, I could definitely see this being the bottom wick for the week to continue moving bullish. 4 hour candle also closed bullish already. Current 4 hour wick down into this 4 hour support, starting to move back up here. We had some structure formed right here at Asian session, respected it through London session, and we've got clean traffic above there to the daily highs. So these bars right here look pretty good to me. If, let's say, we do get a move down back into these daily lows later on, maybe on the new 4 hour, grabbing a little bit more liquidity, we can see what goes on around these daily lows. Around the daily low, we could be taking sells if we get breaks, a break below, or we could be looking for rejections to take buys. Obviously, just based off of the daily and 4 hour, I prefer the idea of the buys. But what I could see is if we do come back into that daily low, that we could get a break below, coming to test, let's say 1980, maybe even lower, back down to that 70. You know, I'm not going to be looking for 100 pip sells, but it's a possibility as maybe a liquidity grab for the week. But for now, these are the bars that I'm interested in if we get a break above 88. So we do have ideas for sells on the break of the daily low as a possibility. If we come up into 93, 95, get rejections here around NYC, would even look to just play the range here, looking to come back down to 88. But I would prefer to just stick with the idea of bars here if we are breaking the daily high. Based on the hourly, you know, we closed quite a strong bearish candle there after rejecting that support from Asian. So this could even be a top wick for the new hourly to come and test this zone, continue back into those daily lows. But I don't really want to take sells in this range now. Also, just looking at the dollar index, last week we had that NFP that was pretty bad. Unemployment, what is it? Unemployment claims and wages data, I think that is all negative. So DXY still got some heavy bearish volume here. Just been in a little bit of a range today. What I could see is we could even get a move up here to retest some of this previous structure here. Similar to the move on the downside on gold, just setting up for the week. So we get this deeper liquidity grab, setting up for the week to continue moving bearish. But we'll just keep an eye on the DXY through the session. See what happens. The timing is so weird. I have to get used to it. Because I'm still looking at this like NYC open is in 2 minutes. But it's not. I think it's going to take a little bit of
I
getting
fucking
used to.
forgot you said it now, bro. Fuck me. I thought it was NYC coming now.
Dude. It's weird. I don't know. It's going to have to take some time to get used to.
I left it with you and I was like 2 minutes NYC, bro. That's what I was waiting for. And then you said it and I was like, oh, fuck.
I wonder, NYC, it would have changed with daylight savings, I'm sure, as well.
I didn't hear everything you said because I have fucking garden service here, so it's loud. But they finished now, so I want to ask, if 88.5 gets taken out, do you see 92.5, 93 coming to play?
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, that's pretty clean traffic. And I think based on the daily candle, the 4-hour, I think it makes sense to come back up and revisit the daily high at 93. This hourly candle, if it can close above 88, I think that's gonna be nice for us to continue moving up here. The 4-hour candle's also changed, man. The timing is so weird. Okay, 4-hour candle closes in 30 minutes. Comex is at 320 now. So where was Comex? Oh, this is Comex volume coming in now. That's our Comex low.
Ugh, my bars are looking so nice. What are you doing?
No, I was just
Connor?
looking something. Yeah?
Oh no, I just saw you like focusing there on your stream. I was like, what the fuck are you doing?
No, I saw a tweet from Capital Hungry. I was just wondering, what is he saying?
I wanted to see if there were bombs being dropped. Ooh, bars. Full margin bars.
Full margin bars. Go down to the 1 minute time frame and just look for
There's
bolt-ons.
every bolt-on. Every
Yeah,
bolt-on. Bar.
heavy bolt-on.
Every single one. It's just a one lot. Fucking have 50 lots running by the time we get to 30 pips up, bro. Imagine.
You say you've taken bars here.
I have, yeah, but it's not looking like great. So I don't know if the 30 open just because it pushed up and then now it's coming back. It's probably gonna come make its bottom wick. I'll get stopped out for break even because I'm not gonna close anything on this trade.
Jeez, Jerome is speaking twice this week. Man's being active.
What do you think about that F1 by the way? Did we speak about it? No, we didn't.
No, I didn't.
Did we?
I didn't even finish watching it. I watched the. I don't even think it was the start. Was it? No, it was the start. It was a crash at the start. Yeah, and then
Look.
And
then a big accident.
Yeah, and then with that red flag and the waiting, I just
I feel.
called it a day.
Wasn't a bad
Did you
race.
guys watch the cricket?
Excuse me?
Did you watch the cricket?
No.
Mute yourself, man. I'm gonna mute yourself, Poppy.
I wasn't gonna be
man.
rude, but there you go. Nah, I don't know.
Fuck, cheers.
Wrong Zoom
playing. SA.
Yeah, Proteas in India, but we got bowled out for 86 runs back.
Just
that's
one cup.
Bad,
That's not hitting
Yo, horrid.
bro, but what's the World Cup for cricket now as well?
Yeah, dude, we're almost in the semis.
Shame,
bowled out
bro.
for 86.
Fucking cricket gets bowled out for 86. Oh, shame.
Yeah, shocking.
That must be.
After you won the Rugby World Cup and then cricket team goes and does that.
Now it's funny, bro.
Disappointing.
On MotoGP, Brad Binder almost won the race he was doing on the weekend. The Booker won the cup. So if you won the MotoGP thing, it would have been cool. Yeah. Came fucking close, but fucking I got in grass. Let me mute. Can you hear that? Obviously.
Yeah. Don't you have the noise suppression on? Because that noise suppression is quite good on Zoom.
I do, but that's when this mark does the echo shit, dude.
Hectic, okay. Oh, gold is not playing around. Me spiel me. So, yeah, I'm just waiting for, this 30 minutes closed below that resistance that I was looking at, plus open up no bottom wick. So, I think in a scenario like that, there is a higher probability that you do get this retest, possibly even coming to get that bottom wick. And that retest could happen on the new 4 hour, could happen on the new 15 minutes. So I'm just going to wait, see what happens here. See if we can see something like this. And the idea is obviously once we've had that little pullback retest, closing back bullish, finding support, looking to come up to the daily high. To be honest, the daily high will probably be my first target here, and then I will look to actually have runners. So just based off of a higher time frame, might even look to just leave a runner till the highs from Friday. But we'll just see completely how it plays out.
Yeah, this minute forced my hand to close off, bro. Yes.
Yeah, no, it is a bit sketchy though. I don't think it's a bad call.
No, I did. I mean, fuck it. I was. I don't know. Like 32 pips up at a stage. So I'm gonna close half. You know, there's no point I hold
Yeah.
for this shit.
Yeah, no, definitely. You know, those bars I took this morning were actually over here. So it was way before London Open. And then London Open gave that pullback. That's where I managed. Because I just said to myself, if this thing's going to come back down into the daily lows, it's either going to break, push back lower, or it's going to give me another chance to get in. So that's why I managed. And I think to just like look at it from that approach that price is always going to give you another opportunity, even if it's not on this particular trade. Like, if price is going against you, just get out. Sometimes I do struggle to do that, depending on the scenario, I guess. Sure. Yeah, you see with that 30 not closing above that resistance, we are essentially still in the range, so we could even see price coming all the way back down in this range. But yeah, I don't want to sell from there. Not bad. It's looking like a fake out on the 5 minute, but um, no, you know what? I've seen this movie before. Seen this movie before. Yeah. Similar idea. Quite an aggressive push up at Comex, and then just a straight reversal. But inevitably just coming back to grab more liquidity for the bars. Hey K, what's up? The other 15 closes. If we can close above 88, I think we may be ready for those bars. But if we close below, then I think we're just in the range here, and we could even come back down to the bottom of the range. I wasn't really planning on sales off of the zone now in this session. But I think there's enough evidence to take sales with the previous hour and those rejections there. You know what, if this 5 minute gives you a biltong, I'll take sales. You know what's going to be a little bit difficult to adjust to is the later sessions. Might just have to change my whole daily routine around. At 15 minutes is still closing in the range. Looks like more of a rejection here for now. Hey, what's up, Reese? How are you, bro? Why did they change the market hours? It's just the daylight savings, yeah. So for now, it's just the America, or the US and Canada. But obviously because it's the New York Open, you know, their time is now an hour later for everybody else. So New York Open, NYC Open, and you'll see all of the news will also be released an hour later. So generally we have news. Okay, yeah, for me, generally New York Open, what New York Open was at 2, news was at 2:30 most days. Now you'll see New York Open is at 3, and a lot of the news will be released at 3:30. Like here, unemployment claims, 3:30. Whereas last week, unemployment claims was 2:30. So everything just moves an hour later. What's up, Mid? How you, bro? I don't know, man. This was kind of the retest, we could say, that I was looking for, but with the 15-minute not closing back above 88, with the new 15 opening up no bottom wick, can't really do too much. I found that most moves on US went from 4 to 6. Yeah, personally, I found that too. I mean, I was trading NAS in 2021. 2020? No, Allah. 2020. And yeah, also I found the same thing. A lot of guys on IG you will see are trading NAS at 330, just gambling. But really, if you go and study that chart, and I feel like a lot of people just don't do that. All the data is there. But no one goes and looks at the chart and says, okay, when is the cleanest move? Like, you make money when price is moving, when there's clear direction, when there's clean moves. Why are you gonna be a donut and go trade the most volatile time when there's uncertainty? I don't know, each their own. I guess if it works for you, it works for you. That's the thing. That's the main thing. By the way, 2 hours for 60 pips and 5 minutes with a 50% chance of catching 20. It sounds so logical, doesn't it? Apparently not everyone thinks the same. These rejections at 88 look juicy. Got 10 minutes before hourly close. Nah, I don't wanna chance these sells now. Because then we're kind of anticipating that this hourly, well, I'm kind of anticipating that this hourly candle will flip in the next 9 minutes. So I'd rather just wait for the hourly close. You know, if we're closing bullish here on the 4 hour, it makes sense to just wait for those bars to set up. If we close, I want to say if we close bearish on the 4 hour, we can still see about those sells here of 88. But I think for now, for me, the safest sells are below 82. The only reason I was kind of considering sells here at all is just because of the rejections we saw earlier on. This is the structure from Asian session. So these are kind of the zones that I'm looking to take trades off of. Asian session structure and London session structure, the daily highs and the daily lows. So this is definitely a zone I'm interested in. Yeah, we already had that rejection. Had another liquidity grab into the zone now with COMEX. This does look like a rejection, so I think these sells just based on lower time frame price action makes sense. And I kind of wanted to pull the trigger on this, but this is not a trade that I planned. So this is kind of a paper trade, looking to come back into the daily lows, possibly 1980. But it's risky with the 4 hour looking the way it's looking. And you can see obviously price is just in a range here. So, it's not always that you're going to take trades in a range, but when you do, it definitely makes sense to be taking sells off of the top of the range and buys off of the bottom of the range. If we were trying to take these sells coming into, or like in the middle of the range, that would just be a no. But here, taking the sells off of the top of the range gives you a good risk to reward, and may very well be worth it, but I'd rather sit out. Anybody taking any trades today? Anybody in any trades? How is your NFP? Let me know, chat. Cops, you taking anything today?
Nah, dude, I haven't taken anything. It's been too choppy for me. I was planning on bars above the range, souls below, but obviously nothing's come through yet.
What's up, Justin?
So I've just seen as well, like, I've been like over trading almost. So I've kind of realized like fewer trades I take, actually the better. Because I'd rather wait for like a higher probability where I'm like confident in it than just try and force something because been seeing my ass.
Yeah. No, but I agree. I mean, I think certain people can take, more trades. Some people just have that. We could call it like like some people just have the gas tank to make that many emotional decisions in a day. Because every trade you take, when you're putting money on the line, it's an emotional decision. There are emotions involved, and that's why trading a demo is easier than trading out money, because then at that point it's not an emotional decision. So for a lot of people, it is better to limit your trades, 1, 2 trades, maybe 3 trades, because after that you'll see more times than not you'll sort of just start to become silly. Your decision making abilities start to decline.
Hedge.
Oh shit. Yeah, wait, you should have hedged. You heard Nico. Oh, on oil sales. I heard oil.
It wouldn't have been an L. It wouldn't have been an L if you hedged. Think about that.
Yeah, you would have just blown your account. Yeah.
My garden service left its weed eater and they left. Came back now.
You should have hidden it. I'm looking for a weed eater, man.
Oh, sorry, you should have told me.
You can fucking just start our own little garden service there. Call one of the boys to get one of the boys to go start cutting grass. I'm winning a bucky for Christmas. My grocery store up the road here, I'm in this competition to win a bucky, so we'll let them use the bucky. They can go cut grass.
I'm in the competition too, but
oh, you know it?
Yeah.
No, I already manifested that bucky.
Fuck.
What competition we in?
The weed eaters, don't worry.
Oh, easy.
Someone winning a bucky so we can start a garden service. Is that what? Is that what I'm missed out?
Yeah.
Yeah. Like The three of us starting a garden service. Huh? I'm the driver. You're cutting the grass.
No, man, no. We get someone else to do the
But
cutting.
Fuck no. Wow. Huh? Let's go
I,
cut the
re-
grass.
I
Go
reckon
to
whoever
catch a
wins the bucky gets to make that call.
I actually think I'll go cut the grass. I'll volunteer because I can just go take my shirt off and catch a tan. I need it.
But sorry, but listen, I'm just telling you now, it's gonna fucking hurt when you cutting with that weed eater and something hits your body and you don't have a shirt on. That's all I'm saying. So as much as you're gonna catch a tan, you're gonna cut as well.
I'm strong.
So I'm glad
Until
you're
that
strong.
fucking stone hits you. But
The stones will ricochet.
Rather you than me would.
Nah, maybe. Fuck no. I don't even think it's worth it to start a garden service as like in terms of passive income. Like it's saturated. You're not gonna get paid a whole lot. No, I need to.
Can I tell you something, bro? You know how you make money from a garden service? It's pretty fucking simple. It really is. You literally buy your house, you get your entire fucking neighborhood you cut their grass. Just think about it. You wake up, you got somewhere close to you to go to and you start cutting grass. Now imagine you do your entire area, bro. Imagine that's what you have to do and you have to maintain. In a month, you're gonna rotate. That's it. Wow. Think about it.
Okay, but Nico, just
Your expenses will be
there's levels. There's levels. You
Oh.
see,
okay.
we trade. We don't need to do something so labor intensive. You know what
Now,
I mean?
who the fuck said I'm gonna do it? We never gonna do it. I'm saying whoever wants to do it. So if someone's in chat here that wants to go do it, they must go fucking do it, bro.
I was gonna
I'll
say, if someone in chat
I'm never no.
has no money,
Never,
you
bro.
want to get some money to start trading, yeah, maybe that's a good idea for you. Like, you
But
know,
then you must know you cutting the grass and you saving your money. You're not getting people to cut grass for you that you're gonna pay and save money. That's you cutting grass on your own.
yeah, no,
But I'm
that's
talking
a good
about, bro,
idea.
if someone's supposed to go to it, get your what's it in English? Suburb, right? The suburb is like greenfields or bro, get your entire suburb and think about
your block.
I'll cut grass for 50k a month and a bucky. You see, you'll cut grass for that amount. That's the thing. Like, you have expectations for cutting grass. That's crazy. Like, no. I'll not do anything about fucking that's gonna cool. No, bro. Like, passive income's not physical fucking
I'll
labor.
cut grass for 50k a month.
Bro,
less.
how long are you gonna take? How much grass you gonna have to cut for 50 fucking k? Think about it, bro.
The old town's
Think about
grass.
We pay these
But you don't know
200
how
rand.
far
200 rand, bro.
No,
To cut. Oh yeah, bro. Yes, I'll have 5 strokes in a day then, because I'll chow halfway every yard.
Yo.
You can cut grass for
Fucking
take videos. Yeah, I heard someone actually does that.
there is someone that does that, bro. But bro, the Oaks machine that he uses to cut the fucking grass is like a 200,000 rand to fucking buy it. Because I mean, the way he cuts the lawn, the way he neatens it, and he goes to people with fucked up houses and yards and cuts their grass. So he's doing charity work while making the video, while having expensive equipment to use to make it look even better than what it is. So I mean, yeah, sure. If you want to be an influencer and do that, then cool. A lot of labor work though.
It's actually almost kind of swag that he offers to cut their grass for free, but then he makes so much money on the video. Like, if they are struggling, if their house is decrepit, why doesn't he say, hey, I'll come and cut your grass for $500? I hope he does that.
He does. What?
No,
if it's shit.
They say for free. No, he must pay them to cut their grass. If he makes so much money, like.
Oh, if he makes money from their thing. Oh, okay, I hear you.
You know what I mean?
No, I don't agree with that, bro. You know what?
He's already doing charity, Buck.
Yes, one, but two, whoever fucking leaves their garden to overgrow like that is a lazy puss that doesn't deserve the money that I'm gonna make from cleaning his yard.
No, that's true. But
you
then
see,
they don't deserve
that
you
is the
cutting
truth.
the grass.
No, but I'm gonna make money off this lazy person. It's the same thing as what we do. We make money off lazy people in the market. You see what I'm saying? It's like Who was it? It wasn't. What's that Bali's name? What's that old toppy's name? It wasn't Powell. It's the other one that sits with Jerome. He says anyway. He said of the people, like we wouldn't make as much money as we make if there wasn't as many. He used some word, but people in the world. Same thing, bro. Lazy person doesn't cut a grass. We make a video of it to make money. Thank you.
Was that
Without
not?
you, I wasn't gonna make my cool.
Was that not Warren Buffett and Charlie Munger?
It was one of them that said
Oh.
it.
Could have been Charlie Munger. I feel like he would
The
say
oldest
something
one.
like that.
Strong,
Yeah, that motherfucker
yeah.
would say something like that.
Yes. Competent. Yeah. He said of incompetent people, we wouldn't if there wasn't as many of them, we wouldn't make as much money as we do.
Yeah. No,
So
facts. Facts.
there wasn't as many lazy people. Wherever that guy stays that makes the video, he wouldn't be making as much money from his videos cutting grass. So because I mean, shit, how many people can you find that don't look after their yard? You know,
Yeah.
there's not a lot actually, bro. Now that I think about it, how many people do you see with overgrown grass in the front? Not a lot.
Depends where you go. It does. It completely depends on like the neighborhood, the suburb. But that just let me not get into politics. It's not really politics.
But okay, here's the thing. I won't lie to you. When I have my big ass house and my big ass garden, I'm going to be cutting my own grass. Not my garden, my grass. There's someone going to do my garden, but my grass. You know why?
Yeah.
You know what? Can you imagine
I
me
get an
sitting
idea.
on a lawn with my cowboy hat on, smoking my cigarette, wink wink, and just cruising in the sun? That thing. Wow. I'm living laugh at that point. Yo, that's beautiful. And imagine you can just
I can
fucking go
picture you with
into
cowboy boots, fucking PT shorts, sitting on those lawnmowers you drive around with.
I got flip flops on all the way. Don't come fuck with me, please. Yes, just fucking close my feet when I'm outside in the sun. Are you stupid? Yeah.
Who deleted that comment? Someone said Brakpan and then someone deleted it. I was laughing at that.
He said it. Bro.
That's quite funny.
Maybe wait, that was maybe for the own grass statement, bro. Where to find it? Brakpan. Oh shit. No, but honestly, bro, think about it. Don't you think that's a vibe, dude? Just fucking lawnmower, big ass garden that you or yard you have with your cigarette, wink, you know?
Wink.
Fine.
I kind of like what I see on the 5, but it's not enough. You know, I kind of dropped
And
that
previous
for
one, I
retest,
was just
but it's the 1 hour is sketchy, the 4 hour is sketchy. 30-minute also close bearish rejecting.
Do you see what Wayne said?
Yes, the second sales please.
Yeah, see, my cell's looking so nice. I meant my bar. I mean myself. My bar? Sorry. My bar is looking nice. But if the candle flips, my cell's looking great.
Yeah, if the 30-minute flips, sales look good. The 5-minute flips, bars look good.
No, I'm just hedging, bro. So, you know, either way, I'm happy. Fuck it.
But to me,
I don't
this
think
is a
I'll ever
level
hedge
where you
again.
could take bars or sales off of, to be honest. But you have to be patient to pull the trigger here.
I will leave that for whoever wants to do it. It will not be me. I don't have the brain capacity for that shit again.
Again. You know, gold actually just needs to get out of this overall range between 2010 and like 1965. 2005 and
You know what?
1965. But I think it'll be in this range for a while. So we
The
have to
moment
just
this 1 hour makes you low in the candle, I'm gonna sell it. I'm gonna grab 10 pips and I'm gonna call it a day.
It's not a bad idea.
10 lots.
Fuck that. 10 pips only. We're going 20 lots. 20 lots now.
I need to just make it 30.
You know what, eh?
And then
I need to
only
tell you
put
something that I thought of.
Yeah.
There's something. What?
No, nothing.
What are you?
No, I was gonna say.
I need to tell you something about.
Against you, add another 30 lots.
No, but there's something about all that I want to tell you that I thought about. Think about this. $10,000 funded. No, fuck funded. Lav. $10,000 lav. You use a 0.30, you stack it with a 0.30, and you add a 0.30. You're still under 1 lot. Does that sound hectic to you? Don't think about drawdown, don't think about profits, just under 1 lot. Does it sound hectic to you?
No. No, it doesn't.
That's technically what's happening on that. Is that not equivalent to a 30 lot on $1 million account and stacking to it?
It is.
Or I don't know. That's what I'm asking. Or is it equivalent to a 3 lot on a 10K? It's if it's a 0.30, we've looked at it wrong. But if it's a 3 lot, it's a 0.30, right? On a 10K. So, bro, if you do you see what I'm saying? We've looked at that situation, that pineapple all fucked up. Like, dude, that oak's not even risking that much, bro. That oak's still like chilling on risk. It's just these stop losses that are so big. So I mean, risk
for sure.
That's more than fine, eh? Eh?
Just
90 fucking lots.
More.
Bro, imagine you can say 90 lots is still under risking to you.
Yeah, but I think when you're trading like that, you have to under risk, bro.
Listen, the ape strategy.
You'll lose your mind if you're risking 3%.
Bro, I'll headbutt tables if I had to do that. But his overall risk, if there was brains behind it, you know, like I mean, it's really low risk, bro. Like, I don't know why I never thought about it in that way. Thought about it in a way I was like,
it is, but I don't think there's any way to justify. I don't think there's any way to justify that approach.
I just never thought about it in that way. That's all. I never thought about it being equal to a 0.30 on a 10K and maybe a 0.90 on a 10K at most. Like when I thought about it, I was like, fair enough. That oak's not even risking as much. It's just what he does. His strategy, it's a lot for. I don't want to take that in on myself, but overall, the risk is all I'm talking about. You know, I mean, not bad at all. So yeah, but anyway, fuck, it must be nice to have $1 million laugh. But anyway.
Say anything.
Let
me not say anything.
What?
No.
Won't $1 million laugh be nice, Connor?
Fuck that. I'm gonna have a $10 million account. I have a $10 million account. I'm manifesting.
I have no doubt.
I have no doubt. I'll probably have $100 million account.
I have a doubt there though, because I'm gonna ask you, why are you keeping $90 million in your account for no reason? That's not gonna be my question. And then
so I can use 10,000 lots.
Yeah, fuck it. I knew I kept you around for a reason.
No, you know what? I think there'll be. I've always wondered when you get to a certain account size.
Where do they cap you?
Trader, I think there will be logistic issues. There'll be liquidity issues. No, I don't think it'll work. I don't think
But
that
can
you
I
could.
ask, won't leverage come into play like with something with a bigger account like that? Like, what happens when leverage is 1:1?
The thing is, I don't know if you
Can't you
can have
essentially put
such a
more
big
money?
account at a retail broker. That's the thing. But if you could, why wouldn't they offer you the same leverage as a $10,000?
No, I don't know.
Yeah,
I'm asking. That's the thing.
yeah. Imagine an XS account. Like put $10 million in an XS account, unlimited leverage,
Jesus,
flip that thing to $1 billion. I know many
Jesus,
SA
bro. That's when you see.
so many SA traders have done that. So many. Just on a demo account.
I was waiting for it, bro. Yes, sis. When it comes to demo trading, I think SA's got the best traders in the world, bro.
Yeah,
The
no,
best.
they're brilliant, bro.
I've seen an oak take like $5,000 to like $290 million, bro. Huh?
Bro,
Where you see that? That's SA traders, boy.
Nico, go
Yes.
look at FBK, dude. FBK took 60 Rand to $1 million Rand. And then he blew it. I swear.
Oh.
How do you.
No, man. Really?
Yeah.
But like real
Imagine.
money, bro.
Yeah, real money.
He took a real 60 bucker to a mill and then blew it.
Yes.
Yo, that's depression,
Bro.
but
Bro. Did he kill himself yet?
No, I'm sure that's not much to him. He sold enough stuff in his life.
Oh, is he like fucking rich, bro? I don't even know who FBK is, bro. Like, is he like stinking
No,
rich?
he's got his own fake broker and everything.
So losing $1 million team was like
Yo,
lightweight.
FBK,
Okay, I
sorry,
mean, then
don't
that's
kill me,
fair.
man.
Then
Tarek will get a hit
wait,
on me
what?
for saying that.
What did you say?
That he's got a fake broker.
FBK is SA.
Yeah, he's I don't give a shit about these oaks.
Yeah, no, I don't give a
SA
fuck.
oaks are also nice.
He's yes, sis. Bro.
What, no?
Book. Fuck's sakes. The image I got in my head. Like, Ned's message, bro. Yeah. Sounds like a WWE move. FBK.
Oh, FBK. Looks like rejections here at 88.15, closed bullish, but I mean it's sort of in the middle of the range. I do think that if we break that previous 15-minute low, that there could be some more downside here. But you've got 15 minutes until NYC, so at this point, may as well wait for NYC. The 5-minute price action, and I like a 5-minute time frame. I can't work with this. You know what I mean? It's dog shit.
Ned, must I tell you why I'm laughing, bro? Let me just. Ned, send me a WhatsApp quickly. Just like a letter or something. I'm in cold. Do you buy and sell? Yes, as Justin says in Zoom chat, he saw a guy with 2.4 billion rand profit.
I
Oh,
yeah, I
Fuck.
think I've seen that as well. It's just, it's like, bro, make it a little bit believable. At least. This is kind of like what I actually wanted to see earlier on. So it was this 15 that pushed up and had no bottom wick. So it came back to get its own bottom wick. And now we found support to possibly continue moving up. I think just with the way these candles are printing up.
just quick question, Con. Did you?
Did I?
Yeah, okay, it's fine. No, sorry, I was just asking, thinking. Did you have your? Did you do your like pre-plan as well for today?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Basically
You know what
the
I'm talking about,
trades.
right?
Yeah.
Okay, no, cool. No, you don't have to tell me. I'm just asking if you did. That's all.
Yeah, no, the trades I'm
If you
looking
want.
at here are basically it's everything that I've discussed already. That's why I said those sells off of here. I'm not too keen because it's not really something that I put in the plan. It was an idea I had for London session, but yeah, when we already had this move down, and then Coim exporting that bullish volume, I don't want to, now like to sell back into this range. You see, I think if we were sitting here like this now, coming into NYC with rejections like that, so to me this just looks a little bit cleaner in the sense that we have had this nice clean move down. You've started to have a pullback, and then if we can respect the structure to come back into the lows, makes sense. Okay, cool. See those cells play out. But now that you've already basically come into the low of the range, seen a rejection, this range has become chalked. So I would like to see us actually get out of this range. I don't want to take cells in this range. Yeah, it was replay mode. I don't know. Basically based off of the 15. This is kind of what I was thinking. I'm concerned if you pull the trigger now, that NYC just gives you a liquidity grab to like 85 and then we push up. There's no need to rush here. Maybe markets are waiting for Powell. I mean, he's speaking like how many times this week? And we got a whole lot of other FOMC members speaking as well. Whole lot of other FOMC members. Really, not much is happening today. If anything happens, or it should be now in the next hour or two with NYC volume. COMEX definitely brought a little bit of volume there. And I'm kind of just now anticipating. So we've had a pullback, a little bit of consolidation. I'm expecting NYC to give us that continuation to the upside. What's up, Omar? One thing I really want to start using is buy limits and sell limits, but I'm shit scared of those things. Who here in chat has ever actually implemented buy limits and sell limits?
Dude, I'm not gonna lie, I was actually looking at a guy that trades with them the other day, but I was also thinking about like, fuck. You said it taps you in and just fucks off going down, you know what I mean? Like, ish.
Yeah, that's what I'm like scared of. That's why I always prefer buy stops. Because buy stops you're trading with the with the momentum. Price is moving bullish, you'll get tapped in, and the idea is to continue moving bullish. That's like to put a buy limit in. You're getting triggered in when price is coming down, so immediately it's going against you. So you gotta have a lot of confidence in that level you're setting that limit order at. And I guess also just keep the stop relatively tight. I tried it on NFP on Friday. I don't know if you're gonna send a picture, Justin. I'm thinking for NYC to have a buy limit at 85. Stop loss below that low from COMEX. But that is, like I say, I don't know, I'm a little bit nervy to try it out. It's like my first time. Don't do it, chat. That's not something I normally do, so I'm just gonna maybe have a look at that today, but don't do that. 2 minutes until NYC. I'm gonna come back now.
Justin, it actually helped you that it put it lower because I mean, literally tapped it and shot straight back up.
Slippage fucked you up on a limit order. How do you actually oh, I don't even know how you get triggered into a limit order. Is it the bid or ask price? Yeah, okay, so for NYC close, you know, pretty bearish here on the 30 minutes. But to me, it's going to come down to the lower time frame price section. I mean, those bar limits right now of 85, or maybe if you had them just above, don't look like they would have been too bad. But you never know. It's very early into NYC.
Did you set something and then delete it?
No,
I
I hope not. No.
No, I'm just asking because I know I'm asking you that you because I left and came back and then I heard you said someone got triggered in on something. So I was like wondering what it was.
I just don't like that we're in the middle of this range. Visually, based off the 30-minute, does look like we can come down, but I have my reasons for not wanting to take sells here. What I'm waiting for is to actually see us come down into the bottom of this range. Depending on how we are coming into these daily lows, I'm either looking for something like this, so price to just kind of sit there, consolidate, respect those lows, but not reject. Then when you break that low, get in on sales, understanding that there's a very high probability we at least test 1980, but I am more interested in buys off of this. See this gray zone that I have marked up? I'm more interested in buys off of this area. So this sell is going to be like a lower risk sort of idea. If we can come into the daily lows, heavy volume, reject, then see something like that, or even get a fake out. So let's say we do get that move to 80 first, then break back above 82, then I can look for those bars. So I could even try the bars and the sells. Get the break below 82, sell to 80. If you reject 80 and break back above 82, take the bars. Otherwise, let's say we don't even come down to the lows of the range, I'm waiting for a break above 80, 88. Looks like we've got a rejection there of 85 potentially. Anyone set the bar limits? Volume today is just non-existent.
I have a feeling though that when that candle flips and breaks that low, that it's gonna push.
Mm.
I think we might see volume then. If not, I don't think we're gonna see any volume then. It's probably gonna be one of those 6 o'clock moves, you know.
And you're probably going to start getting a lot of those sort of 6 o'clock moves with
Isn't this
yeah.
with the time just lights now? Isn't this a 5-minute biltong setting up?
Yeah, but I don't. I'm also looking at this 85 level. With NYC, I would be more interested in taking buys just off the fact that we had a 5-minute closing bullish of 85. Big is the stop here. It's really not ideal in this range. Okay, let's wait for the 15 close. If your 15 is closing bullish, I'm going to... if the 15 closes bullish, rejecting 85 here, and my stops are not too big, I'm going to take buys on the new 15-minute candle. Like this. We have to close bullish, and stops cannot be bigger than, let's say, 30 pips. So a stop like that is perfect. The idea is previous hourly did form support, and we've just got a steeper bottom wick on this current hourly. NYC, I know, generally likes to pull back to these key levels or psychological levels. So 85, if 85 is being respected and you've got a 15-minute candle closing bullish off of that 85 at NYC, also in line with the daily, previous daily being bullish, we've come off of this daily support zone as well. That's why I like this idea here. Three minutes to go. Yeah, if we do break that previous 5-minute low, that is definitely a bottom, I would say. And then we still have those ideas of just waiting to come into the lows of the range. You could take the sell on the break below 85, but for me, I don't like it.
I've been trying to scalp this range, but it hasn't been going too great. I've lost like 0.5% scalping it. So it's not bad, but I mean, no.
Volume is just haha.
I had very small stops. I mean, if any of the trades I took played out, I'd have made more than I've lost off all the trades together right now.
Yeah.
Of one of them playing out. So I mean, fuck it, bro. I don't care. Yeah. Even now I'm in something that's got a 7.5 pip stop. So I mean, fuck, bro. Fuck. I don't care about that.
Hey, this 15-minute candle is about to close. Closing bullish. So let's see.
Fuck it, bro. This 15 matches that bottom wick and then comes back. Hey. Full margin.
We would need to break that previous 15-minute high for me to take buys here. Just keep that in mind. And if we break the low, we probably are heading downtown, so don't do anything silly. Yeah, break of the previous 15-minute high. I'm going to be in on buys. Just tapped 85 here again on the new 15-minute. Stops are also really not bad. Stops are like 16, 17 pips.
I'm actually gonna set a bar stop, bro, because I'm fucking lazy.
I'm in. I'm in, and my stop loss is at 1984. Let's see here. 1984.2.
1984. Oh, fuck, I was about to say.
Yeah, I'm gonna have it a little bit below there.
What do you have there? Like 21 pips for stop loss?
Yeah. 20. Ooh. Might have just become liquidity. Fuck.
The way you said it, bro. Fuck it. Now we definitely liquidity.
That's fucking range. Yeah, chat, I'm probably gonna hit stop soon. Jeepers, it's like
Fuck
a
it.
ball here from my stop loss. There's nothing I can do in terms of
I'm out.
managing.
I'm out. Hit my stops.
Still in. 1984.2.
Yeah, I had my stops there too.
But we're on different focus, remember?
Yeah, I know. No, I know.
Oh my
I'm not
days.
saying anything about it. I'm just
If I don't
informing
hit
you.
stops, I'm actually sorry, chat. Like, what can I do?
Yeah, it's not your fault, Connor.
That was swag of gold, really. That is so swag. But
You needed some liquidity.
yeah,
you-
I think so.
You needed us to become liquidity before you went up, bro.
There was a reason I put it a little bit lower. I'm still in chat.
Sorry.
I'll literally send a screenshot to the Discord. I'll send a screenshot to the Discord. I've obviously got my message here on my phone. That's fucking swag. Holy shit.
Yeah, no, mine moved me out, bro.
Okay.
My stop loss was 84.20, and it says that I got stopped out at 84.24. So I
I
mean,
just think I'm gonna take
they
it
just
now.
they
Oh my days. Oh shit.
if it pulls back
What
now,
a
bro,
course.
gonna...
What no?
Fuck me.
They'll hit you out this time, Popkey.
Yeah, I got taken out in the first go, Buck. Fuck it. And I opened 2 positions. I closed the one quick. I was up like 4 pips, and I was like, oh, yeah, fuck. Should I close it? Luckily, I did.
Yeah.
Nah, fuck's sake.
I mean, sometimes we hit profit, like we close our partials that quick, bro. But sometimes, I mean, the stop gets hit that quick. Oh, that's so what
No,
happens?
you know what I would attribute this to is just the fact that we are in the middle of a range. Like that.
Yeah, bro. I don't know
Direction
how
is
you
clearly
get
not that
kicked out.
great. Okay, let me send this thing to DC.
Wait, did you get taken out now though? When it came down again, or still
No,
not?
bro, I'm still in. And our stop is actually above. It's actually at 84.21. I said 84.2. So it's even higher than I said.
Yeah. So I mean,
But that's completely dependent on your broker. Because that's like a board here. I mean, I could have been taken out by
I mean,
Sport.
fuck. Bro. Look at what I got taken out at. I got taken out at 84.24, but my stop loss was 0.20. So they closed it out for me, you know, before it hit the stops. They tried to help me out.
They were managing the risk. Man.
They were managing for me, bro.
Yeah.
Oh, fuck.
And it's like after those rejections, you would think that that's liquidity to possibly move up. So even when it came back up to my entry, I didn't want to manage. I mean, that is a hell of a 1 minute candle there, and we're still above 85.
Oh, bro, fuck. I closed my cell, got in on the bar, fucking more than my stop loss on my bar. Could have been a nice sell. Just. My stop loss could have been my TP.
Yeah, I'm probably going to hit stops here though.
Hey, stop it. Stop.
Yeah, okay,
But-
I'm out now. Yeah, you see this broker is so fucked
Otherwise.
compared to Orlando. Now I'm out. What are the chances? Check here.
But it did spark there, can't it?
84.
I saw it go to like 80.
You.
Yeah, it went. Oh. Yes, a full hair thickness, yeah.
Yeah, okay, we'll try that. I'm out now. Gold
We should have
said,
maybe just have walked away.
you too.
No trade direct up then.
Well, the 15 closing Polish rejecting 85, I think was enough for me to give it a shot. Because I know that 15, if it's giving a confirmation after NYC in line with the daily and that, then, you know, it can be pretty good. But yeah, maybe in the middle of this range, I should have just left it. Volume is dog shit.
No, like 85 also saw was a level, bro. But the thing is, like, if we don't look at London's London's 85. If we just look what happened more recently, there's candles that broke 85 and closed through 85, and then it came back and went above, and then doing the same thing. Where your blue line starts there, bro. Like all that there, that's So like there is shit that's under 85, dude. So like 85 held weight, I think, more in London compared to now. Gambler, ha ha ha. Shame, bro. You must have lost money that you're saying that.
What the fuck?
Shame, bro. Did he? You think he took the trade with us and he's a bit salty? Huh?
Probably.
I mean, at least we're taking our own trades, bro. We didn't get someone to pick it back,
Anyway, just another day in the market.
Hey, bro, I don't mind. That was entertaining to see my stop get smashed that fast. It's been a fucking long time since I've taken a stock that fucking long. Who wants to be a gambler? Follow him. Bro, you're literally sitting in a live watching us, my guy. Fucking idiots, bro. Oh,
Every
shit.
now and then you get a guy like this in the chat.
You literally fucking, watching us, but like, oh, your irks make me laugh, bro. Anyway. Yo, Connor, you must get yourself a pair of those fucking shorts I showed you, bro. Oh, they nice, dude. Shit. And I gym legs today. Ah, beautiful.
They're very similar to the pants that I actually use when I train legs.
Yes.
You know those Nike shorts?
Yes, I know which ones. That's why I got these, bro, because they made me think of those ones of yours. The black ones that the video on Instagram, you wearing them, correct?
Yeah.
That you gymmed with me on that day. Yeah, no, those ones, yeah. I saw that's what I thought. These ones made me think of that. That's why I got them. Because remember, I told you I want shorts like that. Exactly why I got them, bro. So, yeah. Omar, bro, I mean, he complains, but we know he follows, bro. Like, So, like, these oaks don't have their own strategy. You shouldn't even bother, dude. You should laugh and enjoy it. It's entertaining.
Well, I
as
mean,
fuck.
overall, it's like, what do you expect? Do you expect me to not take a loss? Like, I'm gonna take a loss. It's just trading. And what do you think?
I'm
that
just
I'm
here
gonna
for the
cry
vibes.
about it? No, this is trading. Like, losses happen regularly. Regularly. You know what? When you've got a pretty good risk to reward, that's perfectly fine. Perfectly fine.
Have you ever seen that story about the guy that had a 95% losing rate, bro? And a 5% winning rate, but he's a millionaire? Have you seen that?
Yeah, I think it was Mark Douglas who spoke about that guy.
5% winning rate, bro. And you fucking doers rich. Bro, anyone can go fly in their moor if you have that fucking win rate, bro. Yeah.
But
That's
yeah, I mean,
small losses
people,
everywhere. Massive.
in terms of selling and marketing, people are not attracted to that sort of thing. People want the 90% win rate. And now, funnily enough, if you actually reverse the roles, that is gambling. Because to achieve a 90% win rate, you've got big stops. You're taking profit early. Well, what are the chances it just came to wick us out here?
We became liquidity, Con. It's okay, bro. Today we paid the other people. But, I mean, fuck, for the rest of the week, they're going to pay us. I don't mind that. 1 day compared to 4. I'll take it.
No, I'm still up for the day. I'm still up for
No, I
the
don't
day
mean like
from
that. I mean from the
London.
trade.
Yeah?
I mean, I know that's why I'm saying my losses are smaller because of London too. But I'm saying like now in New York, this trade we became liquidity for the other people to smash their New York is what I'm saying, not be down for the day type thing. Liquidity for the session. That's all. Connor, this is why we have 100 pip stop losses, bro. Fuck's sakes.
Yeah, I think you would have got away with it today if you had 100 pip stop.
No, bro. I don't give a fuck what day it is. I'm fine. I don't care what day it is. I'm fine.
You guys want to try this? Just enter the bars again. Put 100 pip stop. As long as you don't break below 83.3.
Bro, the thing is, 21 pips is not a small stop loss, bro. That's a good size stop loss. So we just got wicked out quick, bro. I mean,
Yeah,
there's
no, for
literally
me,
fuck all we can do. So, is
for
what it
me,
is.
that is a relatively like, that's actually like an average stop these days.
Yeah, it's like a decent stop. Not small, not big. It's just, you know,
Yeah.
it's decent. You're not gonna manage that. Put it that way.
No, there's no time to manage. There was no time. To
No, I mean not
stop.
this rate. I mean like a 20 pip stop. The chances of managing that's very rare, you know? Like fuck. 100 pips might be good till it get hit. 100%.
Yeah,
Might
pretty
sit in that
much.
trade for
Well, you know what? Gold is still in this range, in the middle of the range. I would possibly try again if we did get those ideas I discussed, like coming into 1980. Or breaking above
bro.
88, but I don't think it's worth trying again in the range. Yeah.
Dude, I used a smaller lot on that trade. I didn't even know. But it's because I placed it on my laptop, not on my phone. It used a smaller lot even. So I even took a smaller loss than I thought. Ha. Fucking rewarding to find out. I didn't even know until I looked at my trades to journal now. I thought I'm using a 3 lot and I literally used a 1.5, bro. So I went in with half of the position I was going to use.
Maybe it's because I upped my risk. I upped my risk from what I used in London, but I'm still up for the day.
I mean, I only lost about 12% overall today, so it's not that bad.
God.
Yes, bro.
Jesus. I'd definitely have another fucking stroke if that was the case.
Yes. I was about to say, you can't for oak that just lost 12%.
You definitely wouldn't hear me giggle, bro. Let me tell you that much.
You know, the only reason I'm still sitting here is because I wanted to see if this thing just came for the stops.
Probably did, bro. Also, I'm just starting to journal because I'm waiting for the same thing just to see if it did that. And then I'm calling it. Because, I mean, we are done. I'm done, so. 2, 4, 6, 8. Fuck me, bro. Now I must journal 9 trades. Yo.
Are you joking?
No, bro. I'm not fucking joking, dude. I told you that this fucking journaling with as many trades as I take when I scalp is annoying, bro.
Perks of scalping.
But surely you had like one idea while you were scalping. Maybe just like note your idea and then on like each position note if there was just
I'm just gonna write massively over the page hedge. Is that fine, bro? Like just hedge over the entire page. Is that okay?
Anyway, chat. No, look, that's me for the day. There's a lot to come this week. You know, we've got Powell speaking a couple times. Got a lot of FOMC members speaking, and I think these speakers may provide a little bit of clarity on the monetary policy, because the way markets took it, if you're looking at like the stock market, for instance, it definitely took it as more dovish and pretty much anticipating that the Fed is going to, you know, not raise rates anymore. So if this week they come in and they say, oh no, well, we actually are going to raise rates higher, or yeah, if they just leave the door open for extra rate hikes, then, you know, after this last week of bearish pressure on the dollar, we could see that strength coming back in on the dollar, you know, starting to move back bullish. And then in terms of gold, if there's no escalations with Russia, Ukraine, and the Fed coming in more hawkish, we could start to see some pullbacks here. you know, if you just look at the zone we are sitting in, this 2000s area, you look to the left, you can see every time we've come up into this area, we have had rejections. So, you know, I'm not just going to say, oh, we're at this resistance, let's start looking for those sells. But if the Fed comes in and, like I say, they are more hawkish, then we can sort of change the, for me, I would then possibly start to change my main bias from more bullish to bearish, where I'm possibly looking for even this whole move to get corrected down to like 1950. But yeah, we'll take it as it comes, see what the week holds. In terms of this range that price is in right now, just be careful, chat. It's not really worth too much trying to trade this range. Rather wait for a breakout here. I gave it a shot in the range and took a stop pretty quick, so I'll be back tomorrow.